Hi guys, good morning. Okay, please hold on. Okay, today it's just 7 a.m. I just said let me do this um short testimony video, guys. Okay, something happened. You see, natural medications. It's good. Okay, this is just a testimony video of an experiment I did yesterday, and I'm seeing improvements. Might not have completely eradicated, but I'm seeing massive improvements. Okay, my daughter has been having one kind of persistent chronic cough since like 4 days, 3 days back. So I've been doing a lot of orthodox medicine. I even gave her antibiotics, but she has not been sleeping in the night. Okay, she keep having this chronic cough and catarrh, like it's very strong. The cough and the catarrh is very strong. So I said, what am I going to do? And I remember that I have so many people I follow online that are into natural remedies for natural homemade remedies for things. So I decided to try it out. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys for anyone that is interested. So I said let me show you guys what I did, and it has worked and is working. So for those that might need it, just the way I saw it on someone else's post, okay, and decided to try it out, and it's working out for me. So if you have someone or you know someone that has been having persistent cough, yes, persistent cough, maybe as a result of flu, I'm not saying TB and the rest, but a child or an adult that has been having persistent cough, maybe as a result of change of environment or flu, you can decide to try this out. So you'll get original honey. The one I had at home was not really original, so I had to go and look for original honey. This is what I got. Okay, this original honey. It's actually very expensive, but this is I got this. I went to a very cheap market and got it for 1,000. So please make sure you get original honey. Okay, original honey. I would have loved to teach you how to know original honey, but I don't know if that's not why I'm here now. Okay, so this original honey, then you get turmeric. Okay, turmeric. I decided to use everything fresh. I don't want to use those that have been processed in the market, that have been grinded in the market, because I don't know how original that is. So I tried to get a fresh one myself. Okay, so this turmeric. Ginger. Okay, ginger. For those that can tolerate ginger, fine, you can add. I don't know, there was no ginger in that video, but I decided to add ginger to it. I decided to add ginger, just my own intuition. Then black pepper. This is how they sell it in those malam that are selling all those cabbage and the rest, or those that are selling all this herbal stuff. You can get it from them. Black pepper. So you can get a container. I don't know. You pour the honey inside the container. I got full of this, but I used half. Okay, pour the honey. Then you grate your ginger. I use like, I didn't want to overdo things. Okay, just considerable amount. I use like this quantity. Okay, depending on the quantity you want to make. So I use like this quantity. I use like this quantity of turmeric. Okay, just very small, because the quantity I made was very small. Okay, then the black pepper. Just take some little amount. I grinded it in the mortar. Okay, just a pinch. This is how the black pepper actually looks like. I don't know how I'm going to show you guys. See how it looks like. Okay, So you can just take a pinchful and grind. I grind in the mortar. I've already poured the honey inside a container, a small container. I'm going to show you guys. So I grated the ginger, grated the turmeric, poured all the chaff, everything. Then the grinded the black pepper, I added it and I mixed. I stirred. So this is how the end result is. You can see the chaff inside. Remember, I did this for my daughter, not for me. So I did this for my daughter. So for a start, because when I want to try something for the first time, I don't just take the required quantity. I just give it a try first. I was supposed to give her a teaspoonful, but I gave her half of it in the afternoon. So this is how the mixture looks like. Okay, so I just give her half teaspoonful. I give her half of it, just half of it. So when I gave her in the afternoon, throughout the afternoon she didn't cough again. I said, okay, children in the afternoon, they're always very playful. The sickness doesn't actually come out by that time. So I waited around 10, 11, 12. I expected that's when from 9 o'clock she starts coughing. In the night she starts coughing, the cough starts. I was waiting for her to cough. I just said, let me watch this girl. Oh boy, 10, 11, 12. This girl was not coughing. Then 1 a.m. I just said, let me give her again so that she doesn't disturb me in the middle of the night. I gave her another half of it, not even the recommended dose, full teaspoon, half teaspoon. She licked it. Oh boy, this girl did not do one alcohol in the midnight, and she's still sleeping till now. So guys, I decided to share with you guys the whole remedy I did for cough. So I have so many people's so you can try this. It will help, really. It's everything in your kitchen. Make sure you get them. It's not everything you go to the hospital and you spend money. Not everything you go to the pharmacy and spend money. And most reports have shown that most of this antibiotic you are given, most of these cough medicine you are given, I don't know. I don't want to dispute all the orthodox medicine, but really I cut cap for home remedy. So guys, it's everything you can get. I spent 1,000 with 1,500, and I still have more of these things at home. So guys, you can try it. I'll keep it in my fridge for as long as it can stay, and I'll give her for like 3 days, then I'll stop. All right guys, thank you so much for listening to my testimony. I'll see you guys some other time. I hope this helps someone. Guys, thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you some other time. Ciao.